Use it to buy the Catboy costume. A Catboy costume is like from the dollar store. It's like $2 for like the ears, and then I just need to get like a skirt and a collar. And fishnets.
What? No! Shit! Fuck! No! Stupid! Idiot! What are you thinking? How? What? I trusted you!
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Jerma here. We're gonna be playing some Call of Duty.
Commute right now, we've got traffic on the 3s, which looks like it could be letting up by about 4 or 5 p.m. tonight. I would suggest taking a different route. We got an accident on Route 45, and hopefully, what's this? Oh my god, a person!